This is part 2 of my day 5 recovery phase journey as I'm preparing for my next bulking session and just trying to keep up with the same weights, but my workouts are a little bit slow now just to increase the tension, and I'm still on full body workout. So if you just watch until the end, you will see the new my old cardio routine. And I'm not taking any supplements. I'm finding out that the weights I have here and don't have enough strength because there's no pre-workout, there's no any supplements, there's no creatine, there's no whey, there's no protein shakes. So I'm just trying to continue just to try, and I'll start taking the supplements once I start the bulking phase. Also, I am thinking about going to my old gym, which is a pro bodybuilding gym that you might have seen some of my videos on, and start my bulking phase there, but it will depend anyway. So if you've been watching my gym journey or you are new to this channel, please drop a comment below and tell me what you have seen, what you like so far about my exercises, as that's motivation as well.